Oh yeah. I mean, I was planning to just start going through PRs and walking through them as
Yeah,
usual.
yeah.
Unless Sam has a strong urge to do the same.
Oh, I can't share my screen, so I'm not doing that.
You just gotta set up your screen as a webcam, man.
Oh, of course. Why didn't I think of that?
Okay. Let's get going.
Is it something different this time, or you set it up as webcam or what? Because I don't think it will be like visible to everyone, like the whatever content you are going to show it over there.
You can like each individual person can pin like client's webcam if they want to see it.
All right.
But no, like recent versions of Linux don't let you screen share effectively with Zoom anymore. So
Hmm. Funny, I'm trying to, oh, yeah, I found the option. Got it. All right. That's a good thing. I learned something new today. Thank you for sharing. And did we just lose Lightland?
it seems like we did.
All right.
Huh.
Computer crashed.
Hmm.
All right, we can wait for another couple of minutes. He should be back soon.
What EIP was you going to be going over?
No,
Do we
we
know?
were just about to start, and I did
Okay.
mention that I have shared agenda in the chat. I don't know if it was before you joined, so I'm gonna reshare it. So you got the link. And I had listed some of the pull requests here, but this list is from the last time because we could not have the call. So it is possible that some of these pull requests have already been merged. But after whatever new has been since the last week, we will pick up these pull requests if we have time and check what they are looking for. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, all right. So we have Paul. I think, Paul, this is the first time you're joining in here.
Yeah, I'm just listening in. I'm a researcher, academic who's researching Ethereum and Ethereum governance. And so I just by chance saw this. So I thought I'd drop in and just see what you guys get up to.
Oh,
So I'm
yeah.
assuming you are Polar Punk Labs, right?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, you're more than welcome. Just FYI, this is not for the governance call. This is just for the learning purposes. However, we do plan a call, which is called EIP, in which we try to take questions that is around the process and anything related to governance. So you are also welcome to join the call tomorrow. That is 1500 UTC, and you will find the invite on the Cat Herders General channel.
Okay, cool. Thanks.
Welcome back, Matt.
All right, I'm back.
Welcome.
Let's try this again. Okay. EIPs, 61 notifications. Start at the back. The non-tradable token standard. Travis is passing. They've added a lot of assets. Okay, 4671, standard interface for non-tradable tokens. Sold bound NFTs. I don't know what that means.
It's a name that Vitalik came up with. It comes from World of Warcraft, where a soulbound item is attached to your character and can't be traded or sent to other people.
Fascinating. All right. God damn it. Non-tradable token, NTT. I swear we reviewed something just like this. But maybe this is the same. Okay, William reviewed this, right? Perfect. Looks pretty good to me. He's got his assets in the correct folder. Yeah. This looks like it's ready to go for. Oh, he started in status and review though. I'll probably just commit this and go ahead and merge it.
Yeah, this has been long pending.
Yeah. Okay, and then I'll approve it. Great. Decentralized autonomous access, DAA. $49.02. DAAs represent an access over digital or physical things and resources with the ability to connect with entities that's seeking to use it. This is just not, does not read properly. Draft ERC. Great. Abstract. Next to resource possible. Oh God, there's just so many errors. Can be for information, food, weather. The trade could be simple as me looking. It doesn't even use the code blocks. Okay. Subscription token standard. The function of standard API for subscribing to non-fungible and multi-tokens. For a subscription token that gives the right to use said for a specified time unlimited. The proposal was originally conceived. Sharing digital assets, club membership, season tickets. This feels like something that would benefit from one of those standards around like giving and like NFTs that have a function that gives certain people access to things. Because like, how do you transfer out? Like it's gonna have basically the same function here probably where it says is active or some sort. Oh, okay, balance of. Why would you have a balance of an NFT? Oh, this is a subscription token. Name, symbol, subscribe, deposit. This is pretty good looking overall, though. I might just merge this change for the misspelling there on rationale.
This sounds interesting as well, like subscription for NFT.
Yeah. Oops. God damn it, I just misspelled my commit. Oh well. Moving on, 4906. Got issues in Travis. Metadata update extensions and interface. Update. Trailing white space. I don't see any trailing white space. It was weird. Don't really know what field is causing this issue. Okay, that's really strange. I don't know. These types of EAPs, there's just, I don't know. I don't feel like there's really any point. Nobody's going to adopt this metadata extension. This is one of these places where it feels like it would be better if there was somebody who sort of owned the NFT standard or a group.
I don't know what would be the best way of kind of publicizing these proposal other than like first being merged as draft and then people can start talking on the FEM forum. Because sometimes it happens like people are waiting for them to be merged and then they start working on implementation, or parallelly they are working, but they just want that this thing should be added in the repo.
I don't
Isn't there
know.
some like light requirement for reaching some form of consensus before it becomes an EIP? Like,
Yeah, we don't usually say that, or we don't really usually invoke that, but honestly, in this case, it might be worth just saying like you need to get some.
you need to get some buy-in.
Well, Pizza Rob says this makes a lot of sense, so there is some buy-in here.
There's some consensus. Okay.
Fuck. Okay. It just feels like these things, like on their own, won't achieve very much success. Whereas it makes more sense to bundle these types of extensions into just a new token standard that's backwards compatible. Like they're effectively the same thing, but I think that approach just is like a lot more consumable to developers. Anyways.
Yeah, I think moving from, the review status to last call is a tough deal unless they have some implementation or there is a project behind who is really willing to push these proposals. Otherwise, yeah, just moving them to draft looks like a fair deal. And let's see if it is being adopted by any project or not.
God, can we just merge this already?
I mean, this is the one that's looking for approval from an editor, right?
No.
Well, I approved it, and I was wanting to ask if somebody else would weigh in.
Yeah, actually, there is the thing. Like Micah, one of the editor, he is not in favor of getting this moved. Exec had some concerns. He did mention about it, and Matt has already approved it. So we were hoping that if we can get one more approval, one more editor's approval there, that would be nice to have. But because this proposal particularly is like, I see is good to have in the repository. I may be a little biased here.
No, I think so too. I mean, I think it should be there. It seems like it's more of a collection of links to other places than an EIP in and of itself.
Right. But it's their special informational EIP.
Right. And the purpose of having informational EIP is to provide the information as much as possible. So
I don't know what Greg is saying. These links all so far seem to work. Oh, maybe these links aren't working. No, these links should work. This is another place. So in that section, only the deposit contract, which is live in the form of verification, should remain. However, both of those links are broken. Formal. Oh, here we go. This is probably what he's talking about. That link works. This link just is wrong in general. That link is messed up.
Can we just request to update that link? And
Yeah, I was gonna see if I could just, oh, I can't comment on it because it's like too far out of the. What section is that in? Implementation. Oh yeah, there's no link there. Okay. All right, maybe one day that we'll get that to move to final. Sam reviewed this 8 days ago, no changes since then. Oh, we just looked at that one. We just looked at that one. Update EIP 712. That was 2 weeks ago. Let's just ping him again. Not that guy, this guy. Flash loans, 3156. This is already finalized. And they're trying to change the return type. And they're not an author. Let's ask for clarification there. DAO. Okay. Great. That was this one, I think. Yeah. Fix return type. That was the one that was finalized. This guy is still working on this one. Big thumbs up. He has not responded since Sam reviewed it. Smart non-fungible tokens. 4519. Six days ago requested another review. This is the one that just keeps being requested and I think continues to have issues with grammar. The novelty introduced in this EIP is a proposal of a smart non-fungible token.
Four, 519 you are referring to, right?
Yes. Okay. It does seem like this is a lot closer. I think the grammar issues are mostly ironed out now.
Mhm. Yeah, looks like they have responded to your last comment.
I might just commit those and then merge those since it's been there for 4 months.
4 months,
And
yeah, makes sense.
let me just double check that everything that needs to be there is there. Abstract motivation, spec, rationale, backwards compatibility, test cases, reference implementation. Yeah, okay. Let's just go ahead and commit those little fixes. Ah, but Travis is failing. Misspellings. All right, I'm just gonna ask them to fix that. But I'm gonna see what's going on with this OD. Hmm. Shoot, maybe there's some issues with OD in their subscript. Okay. Standard for on-chain royalty-bearing NFTs. Is where it requires the native meta transactions. Damn it, why is this not working? You guys still hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay. No, GitHub is not responding to commenting on this anymore. Maybe we'll try and do something here.
There is one proposal in the required section 2771. Sorry, I'm talking about the earlier EIP, proposal PR 4910.
What did you say about 2771?
So in the pull request number 4910, it looks
Yeah.
like they have added a proposal which is in the required section, that is 2771.
Yes.
And that proposal seems to be in stagnant status.
Yeah, I just noted that on the
Mhm.
PR.
All right, yeah.
Yeah. All right, now it's working. I don't know what's happened there. Man, I don't know why is this happening? Good. What is these requirements? These are interesting. Wow, this is very long. I don't really understand the point of these, like all these are 62. They're not referenced anywhere as far as I can tell. Ugh, why? Okay, I'm having trouble submitting additional comments on GitHub now, so maybe I'll just leave this tab open and come back to that. I really don't understand what this PR is doing. Remove submodules. Git rm dot get modules. Do we have submodules?
Somebody wanted to add Open Zeppelin as a submodule.
Oh, I see.
Is it? Sorry, I can't read your screen. Is it RMRFing like submodules, or is it just not checking them out? Oh, making it bigger doesn't help. It just gets blurrier.
Okay, so there's like no point in me screen sharing because
No,
nobody
no,
can
you
see it's
you
happening.
can see the big tab, and it might just be me, right? Like I'm assuming other people can see it, but
Can anybody read my screen? Also, is it inverted?
it's the correct way.
Oh, okay, sweet.
Yeah, but it is a little blurred for me as well. I thought that it's just for me, so I didn't mention it
Shit.
earlier.
Sorry, guys.
Nevertheless, it's a good experiment, and we definitely were following up with the PR number you've mentioned.
Yeah, what was the PR number that we were just looking at?
The one with the submodule stuff.
Yeah.
4923.
So what are we doing in here? What is this doing? It's getting a list of all the submodules and then deleting the file?
Appears so.
Why?
So they aren't included in any of the repo verification validators.
Yeah, but GitHub Actions. Like, there's got to be just like a Boolean option you can provide to checkout that's like, don't get me submodules.
You would think so.
Yeah, by default, they're just not checked out.
Yeah, so I'm like confused what the deal with fixes 4921. Why is that an issue? And then EIP fails when adding Git submodules, but like, why are we adding submodules in the first place? Oh, he wants to allow EIP authors to simply add the target repository in the assets directory rather than linked to it. Yeah, I don't know. I think we need to do that. gonna close this. Weird, everything's still broken. Okay.
So we have just 5 minutes left. I don't know if we will be able to cover all of them in this call or
Yeah,
not.
I don't think so.
So
But
there are a
most of
few.
these are update mainnet. Oh, wait, why is this? No activity, like we both approved this. Maybe I just need to, I like how Micah goes through and closes these and then opens them again if there's something he wants, but when it's not, and he just leaves them sit there forever.
Even Alita was mentioning this, like sometimes when bot is failing, then closing and reopening the issue helps.
Yeah, but usually, basically every time I don't realize that it doesn't auto merge before Micah will come open and close it, close and open it. But because these are all of the Ethereum mainnet wording changes, which I don't think he wanted, I don't think that he went through and closed them and opened them.
I mean, I don't understand these pull requests. The reason behind it is this mainnet wording is an informational EIP, and informational EIP does not provide any mandate that everyone has to follow it. It's just for the purpose of information. So it's totally depending on the author if they want to change the wording or not. It's nice to have all everywhere written mainnet in the same format, but it's not a mandate.
Did we update EIP1 with it or no?
I'm not sure of that. I haven't looked into it.
Anyways, yeah, I won't be able to finish the rest of it. Got 3 minutes left. What were the things that you wanted to go over?
I wanted to quickly check into EIP 4513. That's a final EIP update. I think it's waiting for a reviewer.
What's the PR number?
4513.
Always throw from safe transfer. Okay, so this should just be, yeah, this is just wrong because it's in the, wait. Actually, I don't know. I'm not sure if it's intended or just a typo, but there's no function with this name. Okay, so it should ask full descent for clarification. Providing brain fart. What is going on? Can you see my screen? It says you can't comment at this time. Why? Are they
I
like
was not happy with you right now.
spam protecting me? I'm making. Oh no, they've got issues. I was gonna say this is crazy. There we go. Okay, well, what else?
Another was in which the author have requested review by you, 4858. Pull request number is 4858. And there is another pull request 4779. Both are open and both are for the same proposal.
Okay, so this one and which one?
4779. I was a little confused here, like how do we deal these kind of things? Because these two pull requests are at different time, changes into same file. Do we actually have to request author to have at least have only one PR at time, right? Because we don't know if like it is continued from the same branch.
All right. It doesn't look like that person is an author, but let's just mention like you have an outstanding PR. Okay. I don't know. I mean, they're not final. So wait, I lost it. What happened?
I think
'Cause
they
it-
just requested for review status now.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah.
So part of me is like, we should just. Okay, yeah, I think that he realizes that exists, and so maybe they'll go review it after we merge this. So. They updated the author format. The other format looks correct now. This is not. Can't spell. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna be able to submit that yet, but I'll leave it open as tab with those two. And then I'll submit it. We're 2 minutes over time. Any last things to mention?
Yeah, I think we should be good for today because I see there are more proposals here listed here. So maybe we
Okay.
can pick it up next time.
Sounds good.
Thank you so much,
Sure.
Matt, for being here. So what do you guys think? Like, should we have it for like this time only, make it to 1500 instead of 16? Will that work for everyone?
I think that's my preference.
And yeah, okay, I think let's keep it unless we hear someone coming back saying that no, 1600 was the best, or
Okay.
we can look into it. Well, thank you so much, everyone, for joining us today. See you in 2 weeks. I'll send out the invite accordingly. Have a good one, everyone.
Thanks, Pooja. Bye.
Thanks. Have a good one. Bye.